Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's weekend. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday, and actually tomorrow it's a holiday in the US, which means the stock market won't actually open. So, anyways, let's go and check what's really happening. On the economic news side, remember every day you're supposed to check your economic calendar and see if maybe there are going to be some changes or not. So on Monday, as we said, it's a holiday. We don't really have anything. Tuesday, we have cash rates, actually interest rates for Australia around 6:30 early in the morning. Wednesday, we have quarter over quarter GDP. Oh, GDP quarter over quarter from also Australia. On Wednesday, the same Wednesday, we have interest rates from Canada and PMI from US actually around 4. So on Thursday, as you know, we're going to have unemployment claims or jobless claims. On Friday, unemployment change for Canada. Actually, this month actually still very fresh. We're still on the first week. So what's really happening? Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to test my signals, we have some very nice stuff. The VIP 3 months, $11. If you just want to test, then yeah, you're still actually joining VIP, but you can still join 6 months, 12 months, or unlimited. Check the description if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening on Gbpusd? You can easily see that yes, we are still actually on an uptrend, but on top where we are now, we can see that the market is creating a wedge structure, or actually a triangle structure. We see that the market is respecting this resistance there. That gave us a very strong sell, even though on Friday there was actually NFP, which did not really move very nice, but actually the market did push lower after that. It did push up. After that, the market pushed lower. So now when we go on a 4 hours time frame, remember this is a weekly analysis. It's a weekly analysis. So let's see what's really happening. You can see that around this area, we had that nice support area on the bottom side. On top here, you can see that we have some very nice areas that we can connect and say, you know what, those are our stronger resistance. For us to continue buying, obviously, we have to wait for the market to break this area before we look for that buy. Else, you can see that we have an area that we call that a support. I think the market is going to touch that area. Let's zoom a little bit. I think the market will be touching this area and pushing up after. You can see that. I think the market is going to touch this zone, which is a support, before we see a shoot to the upside. If not, maybe the market will break out here and start to push even lower. Maybe that will happen, but we will be watching. So tomorrow, as it's going to be a holiday in the US, we will see what will happen. Actually, the market will be very, 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 very slow. So now we are actually on Euro USD, guys. It's Sunday. Hey, we actually tired. It's Sunday. You know, Saturdays sometimes spring, guys. You have to just go out, try to relax here and there. But now, what's really happening on Euro USD? We can easily see that yes, the market actually, it is on this nice uptrend. You can see that the market has been pushing to the upside for quite some time now. Where we are, it seems like this market now, it seems like the dollar is getting stronger. It seems like it wants to break this support area and start to push the lower side. You see that? So we have to go closer and see there, but we don't actually have to jump on that sell, but actually it seems to be trying to get out. Do you see that? We did have a very nice buy, actually, the time the market breaks out of this diagonal resistance there. The market did push up very nice. Now, because of that NFP, the market started to do what? To push even lower. It seems like the market is breaking this support, but I think we also have a horizontal structure there. Do you see that? It seems like we're going to have this horizontal structure or a support there. I think that will be our support zone. So for us to look for a sell, it means the market has to go below this support area. the market has to go below that support area, and then from there we're gonna say, okay, it's time for us to do what? To look for some serious sell position or for a down trend. For now, yes, there is a chance for the market to also bounce back. The market can still bounce back here and push up. So the best way is to wait for tomorrow and see what's really happening. Don't forget that even tomorrow I'm going to update you early in the morning. I'll update you. Maybe the market will be bouncing or breaking. Then you will know actually. That's why you're supposed to smash that subscribe button and like, share with your friends, guys. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. I think gold here on 4 hours time frame is much better. So what's really happening? I think you can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is actually pushing to the upside. Where we are now, we can say the market is actually very, very closer to the support. Actually, it's a horizontal support, but when we check this diagonal, it was also very close. Or maybe we can try to force this one here, but we don't really have to. We can try to force it to be like that, but I think it's fine like that. So we can just wait and see if maybe the market will do what? Maybe the market will end up pushing to the upside. And since gold is actually on an uptrend, yeah, that's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for the market to respect this area as a support before pushing to the upside. So we will check that actually on Monday if maybe we can able to jump on that actually buy. So on Friday we did smash the market very nice, but later we had another signal, oh, the market actually reversed on us. Then yeah, that it's part of the game actually, but the whole week we were just winning, we were just making some cash. But on Friday we had some few trades where the market reversed very quick. So my overview actually on gold, I'm expecting it to keep pushing to the upside as we still have this support. If not, maybe the market has to break this support area before we even think about selling. I hope you see that. Remember the rule: practice patience. Practice patience actually in the market. It's a very good skill if you start to have that. It takes time, guys, to make money in the market. I can say take it slow, take it slow. One way or another, you're gonna get whatever that you want. But if you try to run, hey, you're gonna crash very quick. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening? I like the structure because it's quite straightforward. Even if maybe you don't really understand the trends, I think on this one is quite straightforward. You can easily see what's really happening. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing to the upside actually. And even though we had some reversal, but I still expect the market to do what? To push the upside. Even before, guys, when the market pushes to the upside, we're going to still have some reversal along the way. We're going to have those reversals. Even here, this might be the first reversal. The market will keep pushing to the upside. That's what it's happening currently. So yeah, well, let's try to go maybe on 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. Let's see. Yeah, we can easily see that yes, the market is still actually pushing to the upside. But what I see here is it seems like the market created a sort of a resistance. That is going to be our next resistance. Around this area, the market created something. So this is our next support. So now the market might just play around this area, but the overall picture is, or the overall move, the market will end up pushing to the upside as we are actually on that uptrend. I hope you see that. So don't forget that you can still just test our signal. If you want lifetime, just check my description or just WhatsApp me. Then you can be part of the team. 3 months, guys, it's enough for actually $11 only. But it's limited. It's limited. So let's push to the next one, which is actually the one and only Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? If we go actually on a daily time frame, you will see that, yeah, we are actually on a very, very, very stronger support. So, and guys, if you still remember, I wasn't actually wrong about NFP. You still remember when I said NFP and the likes of US30, Nasdaq, gold, they're all going to push the upside during the news. And yes, that actually did happen. But later on, it's where the market actually did sell. But during the news days, the market did push the upside very nice. Then after we had the reversal. Now on Nasdaq, we can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually still on this uptrend. where we are now, that is a very smaller reversal. You can easily see, you can't easily see that nice if maybe we are on a daily time frame, which means yes, we are actually on a very nice bullish momentum. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame and see 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. On a 4 hour time frame, I like what I see. The market is still actually aggressively pushing to the upside, but the market did push up, but it seems like the market is creating sort of a resistance there. That is going to be our next resistance. Let's mark that properly. I think next week this is going to be an area that we're going to focus on. It's a new month, guys. It's a new month. I'm hoping that we're going to see some very nice push. You know, I like actually buying Nasdaq. So what I'm expecting here is I'm expecting the market to actually push to the upside. I'm expecting the market to actually push the upside. So since we have this reversal around this area, I think this area is going to be a sort of our support, whether this area or maybe this area. You can see the market was just consolidating around that zone. So I'm expecting the market to bounce back and push the upside. If not, maybe the market was flying. Actually, you can see how the market was moving. So maybe now the market will just play around before we see another push. Mostly this bullish momentum, they don't really happen every day. So there are weeks where the market will be just consolidating. Then after, the market will start to push to the upside. Anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I hope you will like the update. Then tomorrow we'll see what is going to happen, but the market will be actually closed, which means things are going to be very slow. So anyways, thank you very much. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do, especially if you want to test the signal. If you just want to join, we have 6 months, which is actually it's not 6 months, it's 8 months, 12 months, and unlimited. Check the description, you will find that. And if you want to be part of the team, you just let me know. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.